The MLA representing the voice of the People's Party from the North Shillong constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, on the 26th of March 2024 had urged upon Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Sneaw Bhalang Dhar and PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak to address the issue of water scarcity in the North Shillong constituency. Adelbert Nongrum emphasized that the PHE department and the Shillong Municipal Board should address the water problem, highlighting disparities in water distribution where some areas receive excess water while others face shortages or none at all. Additionally, Nongrum submitted a complaint letter from the headman of Ratsamthia regarding the water issue in the locality.
Halor ka jingkerdo ka bam di kham tamani po constituency ke jonga ti bonsin abangi persang banwa di kadau lembaga department kadau ko bami ka dei ka ba namar ka jing terkhong jong kaniga ayom kata kanum dei tang kadau kanum dei tang ka lame excuse kanum la bar sipan honru ya ki pai ba namar ki pai ba ki dei ki ba siudat ya ka tax shi department per Telur tak nong rim ngabu ia ka jing kerpat ngabu ia ka jing kentu lembaga minister mungkin subha ban kentu banai ka proper instruction ia ki department concern habari PHE bada bari ka SMB namar begini ki artli department kenumla man punya kharat iwe pat ki ha banyak rekat namar ngitip ba PHE ka dei ka supply ko bat ka municipal ka dei ka pen ka basam pat ia ka syaki bentau per ngakwa ban penpau ni ba kidon ki jaga kidon ki baka umbam ka silai ka poho kami slam ka por bar kidon par ki jaga ru ka ba kami duna par ka kerdu tilmar kada ngakentu ya kini gidi artli department bakin subha ban simkia ban suhun ban sishong ya ban trikam na po office le ban pa ki field assistant lani ki field official bakin don na po ground zero khanang bagin lap nila ban lap ya kadau tenrai ke kadau kaba ngidong kamban improve namar jela kalaya sang puar tri kisnam kat ba kani gadi ke basic necessity ka ngidong kam tam e kumbam umdi ngitep bagade ke jingim nam ta ki pai ba khlam kumbam nginum la banim rei khlam ka bam minang la banim kat tu kan por te mar kadau ni ko por swam pakin mau ba nakaliang ka jiao preng dorbar snong berkunjut nakal samthia dorbar snong nakaliang ka waindo berkiwi do ngala penpau ba kadon kani kecingnya ha ko ba ki wei pat ru ki banta jong constituency jong aru ba kani department kin subha ban leho la ka jong ka kamram ka deiti bat ka jingkat kli kani ka jingkat tu nak yang jong kum emli